Hey friends! Today I'm going to unbox for you the June Allure Beauty Box. The Allure Beauty Box starts out at $23 a month. As always, if you prepay more months in advance, you will get a discount. This box includes at least six items, and at least 3 of them are supposed to be full size every month. So let's dig into June and see what we got. So I'm open the box. There's the material telling what you got. It is full of products. So let's start pulling them out of here and see what there is. I have Flash Foam Finishing Spray Wax. Shake and spray onto dry hair. Use hands to style. And everything is in foreign language. It does say single essence, so maybe it's a single essence. So we have Espa Clarifying Clay Mineral Mask. We have some Skin & Co. Whipped Cleansing Cream. We have a Multitask Eye Serum Mask. So I've got to crack open this little envelope to see what's inside. Oh, we have brushes. 3 different brushes. They're all smaller, more detailed, probably for eye looks. Let's see, here they are. We have the LR100 Concealer. We have the LR105 Short Shadow. And we have an LR008 Angled Shading. So once again, the Allure box, we're supposed to get 6 products, at least 3 full size. So we had 3 brushes. We have the hair wax, the essence, so that's 3, and we do get to 6 with the cleanser, the mask, and the eye look. Now I've got no makeup in this box. I have in the past. Once again, it depends on how you fill out your profile, and I've recently redone my profile, so I'm not getting as much makeup as I used to. I wanted a bigger variety. But you do get skincare products, you get makeup, you get tools. So this one was more skincare, a little bit of hair, a little bit of tools. So that was what was in my June Allure Beauty Box. Once